back to my channel. And if you're new here, press the subscribe button so you can be part of the royal kingdom. And I got my cousin back again. No.
We're gonna be the slime video today.
So the slime video, well, we're gonna be doing winter slime. So we got all our stuff here.
First time making slime, big
yeah, this is his first time making slime.
Big fellas.
Yep. It's his first time making slime. And at the end, after we get through making our slime, y'all go comment down below who did the best on the slime.
Say Skullface for Noah. Queen
What's your team name?
Skullface.
My team name is Royal Kingdom. First, okay. So we got glue. Okay. Put that to the side. We got shaving cream.
Is this shaving cream?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, shaving cream.
Oh, red.
This mine, bro. Well, we gotta use the both for the same one. Okay, we got
baking soda.
Baking soda. I got baking soda.
Oh, we got that baking soda. Okay, that was
unnecessary.
We got baking soda. We got food coloring. You need food coloring. You don't want that paint slime. Paint that you got. I have blue. He got the glow in the dark green pink puff paint. And we got just acrylic paint. I got this red, silver, and gold. And we got ornament filter. These golden paint. I already said that.
Boy, you didn't show it.
I did. Okay. Then
well, I wasn't paying attention.
We got our mixing tools.
Big fella.
We got mixing tools. We got a bowl.
Cooking and whipping in the kitchen.
We got our sequence. We have so much sequence. And that's all. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, guys. So the first step is to pour your glue. Okay, so the second thing is you add your color. You gotta add your color.
Like full color or this?
Whatever color you want.
This? Do I gotta put this in?
What color do you want?
Green. So I gotta put that in?
You put whatever color. He don't know how to make so this is his first time. He's like, which one should I add? Food color or what?
Now start?
Yeah. I love, oh my God, look at this. This is so pretty. Like, this is like.
Oh my God. Maz, who you think is better? Like
color.
this?
Well, it matter about the slime. Like,
yeah.
It don't matter about what you're doing. It matter about the slime. One more drop of food color. That is a pretty color. And he has this green. You want to add no more paint? You add more paint or just. You put no more food color for you.
Yeah, no more.
You doing too much. He said he supposed to put the whole food color in here. So this is what my color looks like. Oh, his is super green. Look at his. Next thing that you do is Noah.
I'm obsessed with him.
Okay. So I'm going ahead and just do this because Noah acting crazy. Cray. So I'm gonna pour his. Okay, so I'm gonna just add me some baking soda. So add him some baking soda. I have to add his baking soda in his solution. So
it's like,
now it's forming. You see now it's forming? So you add that baking soda though.
Wait.
Then I tell okay. When yours be dried out and crispy.
Hey.
Oh my God, y'all see this right? It's like it feel like ooblex now. Cause it just sit there like
hey, it's turning into slime now. Alright guys. Now is this.
wow, now we're gonna form it.
Wait, hold up. Oh.
Look at this. This is so stretchy, but I like this. I like making my slime like this. It's very, 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 very.
2 1,000 years later.
Very, 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 very.
Alright, girl, that's enough berries.
Very easy to make. Oh my god, I love making slime. Okay, show your slime, Noah.
Look at this one.
Whoa, that's so pretty. Okay, so since I'm done making that, I'm going to add my extras. So I'm going to add some silver glitter glue. So I've added me some silver glitter glue and it looks so pretty. Okay, every time I make a slime video, I'm going to try to make a different, every time I make a different color slime. Oh, look at this. This is pretty. I like it. I'm going to make a crown. I'm doing my best, y'all.
What is that?
Look like a heart.
What is that?
Look like a crown. Don't need to look like a crown.
To the no, no, to the no.
It look like a sloppy crown, but don't judge me. Now, I'm adding me this ornament. Okay, no, you finish. Okay, I'm going to do this.
Hey, wait, I'm using some, big fella.
Nah, I'm pouring you these because I know you gonna go overboard. Mine looks so pretty. You sure you want this? Okay. Actually, let me put me some more. I actually want me some more of this. This is so pretty.
And you going overboard while you trying to talk about me.
Oh my god. Look at this. You can see it. This is so pretty. So I'm gonna add me a little bit more.
Big fella. Big fella, you gotta give me some more, big fella.
You don't want none of this?
I want some of that, big fella.
Oh, he wants some of this too. He wants some of this.
These?
Foam beads. The beads. The white beads.
Slime.
Okay, so did you add more glitter? Now your thing gonna be soggy.
Okay. Big fella, I know you.
Mine's look like Winter Wonderland. So if y'all know this technique, if you have foam beads, all you need is like a container, a cup or something, and you can just dip your slime in there. So yeah, so I gotta finish mixing this up. Oh my god, that's so cute. You better hurry up and mix that. That's gonna be so cool. I think I should make my slime puffy. I'm adding me some shaving cream. You can still do this after, just in case, but I prefer it to be while you do it. So now I'm gonna just add this shaving cream. Show the camera what you doing to your slime. Look what his slime look like now. Y'all, he is making the messiest slime ever. Like, it's so fluffy, I'm gonna die. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at his slime. It's like so pretty. I'm not gonna lie. Look at this. Y'all, look at this, girl. Y'all. Look at this. Look at this slime. He ain't got the slow flakes. He ain't got everything in this slime. You add, oh my god, he's going all in. He adds sequins too. I ain't adding sequins.
Okay.
He adds sequins right now. I think I'm gonna add me a little bit more glitter glue because I can't see my glitter as much. I can't see it, so that's why I'm adding more. So I know if I can't, y'all can't. If I can't see, I know for a fact y'all can't see. Adding more, like he's so extra. Like he the extra slime king. Y'all comment down below what y'all think about my slime, and comment down below what y'all think about Noah's slime. My slime is so beautiful. Oh, and if y'all haven't checked out my last slime video, it's my puffy pink glow in the dark slime, and it was for breast cancer awareness month. So y'all comment down below who got the best slime. So let's show it to the camera again. So this is my slime.
I never show monster.
This is my slime. Show yours. Oh no.
Hold up. I just add some.
And that's his. Okay, so yes, so that's all. We're finished making the slime. Okay guys, so I hope y'all like this video and give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what you thought about this slime video, and comment down below what slime do y'all think that won. My slime is kind of like a winter slime and his is kind of
like a Christmas tree slime.
Comment down below.
I think hers is better.
I like his. Subscribe to my channel and subscribe to Noah's channel, because we will be doing another slime video on his channel right now. Y'all better be looking out for that, so I'll click his bell notification. And like I said again, hope y'all like this video, and remember,
stay royal.
No, and remember, stay royal. Bye. What you doing at? Don't show it yet. Okay, stop, Noah. Don't show nothing. Okay, Noah. Noah, you don't supposed to put that much.
I'm putting full color.
You actually do that, but don't do that, please. 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 4, 4. 5. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at Queen Dekoda. Don't forget, subscribe, click that bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. And remember, stay royal.